Hello guys, this is Aditya and you are watching Random Thoughts, and today I am going to unbox the OnePlus Buds Z. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to it and please like and share the video. So let's start the video. As you can see, this is the box of the OnePlus Buds Z and it is pretty stylish. Some specifications are given here. The main things to look out for is that it's water and sweat resistant and it has 20 hours of battery life, and this is made in China. So if you have a problem with that, you should go for some other brands. So let's open the box now, and as you can see, this is the charging case with the earbuds inside. So let's put this aside for a moment and see the other things. And now I'm going to open the box, and here you can see it's written Buds for Life. Now let's take it out. Now let's quickly look at the accessories we get with the buds. Firstly, we get this red cable, the one we get with the OnePlus phones. But as you can see, these are very short, but that's not going to be any problem, I think. And we also get these rubber buds so that we can adjust the earbuds with our ear size or change them if we lose them. Let's put these things aside, and you can see there is something written on the box. Enjoy your new buds. Definitely we are going to. And let's see what we have in this box. Okay, there we have some booklets. This is the installation booklet, I think. Okay, so let's move on. This is the safety and warranty card, and we also get this red cable club card. And later I'll also post a video about how to connect and use these buds with the OnePlus and non-OnePlus phones also. And let's move on to the buds, but we should also see the specifications given at the back of the box. The dimensions, the origination and the color of the buds are given at the back of the box. So let's finally open the buds, and this is the case. As you can see, there is OnePlus branding on the top. Now let's open the case. And as you can see, there is the red light on the case. That means the case is discharged. And this is the bud. You can see the design. This is the touch panel, and at the bottom we have the mic, and the design is quite sleek according to me. This is pretty neat, and see, both the buds are designed to fit in the ears very well. Now let's look at the case again, and you can see this is the indicator light. There are some specifications at the bottom of the case, and at the back we have this reset button, and this is the charging port, and it provides you 20 hours of playback time with the case and 5 hours in the earbuds. And let's again look at the design. Thanks for watching the video, guys, and if you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel and also share the video.